Now there's a special rule that we use with angles in a polygon, or at least some of them, and how much they add up inside, that we can sometimes apply to questions to calculate angles. So we're going to look at what we call interior and exterior angles. So here we've got a polygon, a pentagon, a five-sided polygon. The angle inside is called, unexpectedly, the interior angle, interior meaning inside. But if we extend that side line and look at the angle outside by here, we have what we call the exterior angle. Now, angles on a straight line always add up to 180 because a circle would have 360 degrees. So half a circle, i.e. a semicircle which would kind of sit on this straight line, that would be 180 degrees, half a circle. So angles on a straight line always add up to 180, and there are two angles by here. So if we took the interior angle away from 180, we're left with the exterior angle. So if you're ever trying to work out the exterior angle and you've only got the interior, just do 180, take away the interior, and you've got the exterior angle. Now, to work out the sum of all the angles inside, what we're going to do is we're going to take the number of sides, take away 2 and multiply by 180. So we might write this down as well in a simpler form, 180 bracket n minus 2, n representing the number of sides. So that'll tell us how much all these angles inside here add up to. Now, if it's regular, then all the angles are the same. So you can't do this trick for this next trick for irregular shapes, but for regular ones you can. If we divide the sum of the angles inside, 180 times n minus 2, by the number of sides, n, then we'll actually get how much each angle is, because they're all going to be equal. So for instance, an example here is a regular octagon that we've got. So how much do the angles inside add up to? Well, we've got our equation, 180 times n minus 2. The number of sides is 8 on an octagon, so we simply replace the number of sides n with 8. It's going to be 180 times 6, which is 1080 degrees. So the number of degrees, or the sum of the degrees in the of the angles, interior angles of an octagon, is 1080. Now, because it's a regular octagon, if we divide that number by 8, by the number of sides, we then have the size of every angle. So every angle in an octagon is 135 degrees. So that's the sum of the interior angles in a polygon rule, and how we can use it to work out the size of the interior angles in a regular shape.